I've escaped Toronto for a quick trip to the capital, Ottawa. Tonight, we're checking into the Andaz Ottawa ByWard Market. Now, this place is hyped for having the best rooftop view in the entire city, and I secured a 2 queen beds with view room to see if it lives up to the price tag. Let's get into the room tour. First impressions? The light is incredible. We've got these massive floor-to-ceiling windows. The design is super clean. Lots of copper, oak, very Canadian modern. I actually got assigned an accessible in-suite washroom. Sometimes people think, oh, accessible, does that mean it looks clinical? No. Guys, in hotel terms, accessible translates to extra size. This bathroom is huge. It's got the roll-in rainfall shower, the shower seat, and sturdy handrails everywhere. If you need the accessibility, it's fantastic. If you don't, you just enjoy living like a king with double the bathroom space. Huge win. All right, time for the reality check. You know I can't skip a workout, so we hit the fitness center on the top floor. If you're here for cardio, you're golden. Nice views while you run. But for my fellow gym rats, this ain't it. It's basically a cardio farm. There is not very serious weight training equipment here. If you're trying to maintain mass or hit a heavy lift, you are out of luck. And here is the kicker. I went down there for a late night session. No wet wipes. None. That is a hygiene basic, guys. You cannot have people sweating all over the equipment with nothing to wipe it down. They do provide towels and water, which is standard, but missing the wipes? That's a fail. Okay, let's wash the bad taste of the gym out with a drink. Just right next to the fitness center, we are up at the highest rooftop bar in Ottawa. This right here? This is why you booked this hotel. The view of Parliament Hill is unmatched. It's the highest vantage point in the city. The vibe is premium, the cocktails are legit. It's not a full dinner spot, think tapas and whiskey. But for a sunset or a nightcap, it is 10 out of 10. So, the verdict on the Andaz Ottawa? The pros. The room design is beautiful, that accessible bathroom is a massive upgrade for space, and the rooftop view is top-notch. The cons. The gym is weak if you lift weights. If you're coming for the vibes and the views, book it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest travel reviews. I'll see you in the next one.